The unboxing experience is understated, refined, and unmistakably premium. The case is presented in minimalist packaging that places the focus entirely on the product rather than excessive branding or filler. Once removed, the case immediately communicates quality through its weight, or more accurately, its lack of it, and the distinct woven texture that is synonymous with Pitaka's aramid fiber craftsmanship. There is a quiet confidence to this presentation. No unnecessary accessories, no inflated claims printed across the box, just a carefully designed case meant to speak for itself. From the first moment, it feels like an accessory intended for users who value material integrity and precision engineering. In hand, the PitaTap case feels remarkably thin and refined. It adds virtually no perceptible bulk to the iPhone 17 Pro. The phone retains its original balance and ergonomics, making this case especially appealing to users who typically avoid cases altogether. The textured aramid weave provides a subtle but effective grip, offering reassurance without the tackiness or rubberized feel common in thicker protective cases. The case fits with surgical precision, hugging the phone's edges cleanly and leaving no gaps or misalignments. One of the standout features is PitaTap, Pitaka's innovative solution for the iPhone 17 series camera control button. Despite the ultra-thin profile, the case seamlessly integrates a hidden capacitive layer beneath the aramid fiber, allowing tapping and sliding gestures to register accurately. The result is a control experience that feels natural and responsive, without cutting out material or compromising the case's structural integrity.